Hello, Sumalinks. So you have your account, you have your codes redeemed. Let's see how to install the plugin. You are on the license tab in the WP Reset dashboard and you need your license key. Hit here to copy to clipboard. Then download the plugin, save the zip file somewhere on your computer, and head over to your WordPress installation. Plugins, add new, upload plugin, choose the file, and then you will see the plugin in the installed plugins list. Click Activate. Open Reset Tools, and then you enter your license key. Save and activate license. Plugin is active and ready to use. Let us go back to the dashboard for a bit. You will immediately see your site in the sites list. You will also see that I'm using a localhost site, which means that does not count as one of my used licenses, which is always great. Also, please note that we would like your feedback, good or bad, and if you do provide feedback, we will give you one extra cloud site license. If you need to change your license, for instance, you want this license to be available for 10 sites, you can do that, not a problem, but then you need to disable the Reset Cloud for it. Click Update License, and now in the licenses you can see that it's valid for 10 sites and that we have one local host site on it. Now getting back to the plugin. We have a lot of documentation, a lot of videos, please check them out. One note, before deleting or resetting anything, please check what it does so that you're not sorry afterwards, or click here, ask, and let us know what you need. We'll get back to you ASAP. Thank you for your time.